Good afternoon, everyone. It is a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful February day here in Orlando, Florida, and it's update day for the Universal Parks. I'm going to show off everything that's going on in the parks right now. Mostly going to have focus on the Mardi Gras festivities. I love Mardi Gras. It's one of my favorite special events at any theme park, so we're going to check that out along with everything else going on. I go by the legend, joined by my wonderful girlfriend, Molly. Let's go spend some time here at Universal Orlando. In the Lost Continent, Poseidon's Fury remains closed, but a lot of the scaffolding is down, and the refurbishment on the building seems to be pretty completed. You do have, water flowing out of the fountains and stuff like that. So I'm guessing this one will open pretty soon. Also saw on Twitter today, somebody mentioned that they were like, yep, got hired to reopen the temple. So I'm guessing this one's gonna be coming pretty soon. Well, Universal Orlando has filed a permit for destruction. Nothing is yet to happen to the old Fear Factor Live area, at least that I could tell from the outside. This is rumored to be becoming a Wizarding World of Harry Potter VR broomstick ride at some point. Shrek 4D closed down last month at the park permanently, but it's kind of interesting. They still have like the sign up and all the banners up. I feel like a lot of this would have came down a lot quicker. Yes. Of course, you do see the minions on the construction walls, and that's for the new Villains Con attraction, the rumored Villains Con attraction. There's going to be some sort of moving walkway shooting gallery thing that they filed permits for. I don't know. Right now we're in City Walk, where the major thing happening is the Groove is closed down. I don't think it ever reopened after the pandemic.
No.
The big rumor is that this is going to become a series of Universal-themed escape rooms, which I think could be really, really well done. Like, you put the Universal budget behind an escape room, you use some of the Universal themes. I think there's a lot of potential here. Also, by having like both the Groove and the Red Coconut, you kind of had two dance clubs, and I never really feel like City Walk needed two dance clubs. While the Hogwarts Express ride is functioning fine, the photographic train remains behind work walls. Revenge of the Mummy is, of course, closed for its massive refurbishment, but its gift shop, the Sahara Traders, is now a Universal Monsters limited time store. It is considerably spookier than normal in here. And you could buy a dress. So the further you go into the store, the neater it gets. You get your Bride of Frankenstein skateboard. Come say hello to Dracula and the Invisible Man. It's really well done for a temporary location. And even the entrance, the exit from the attraction, too, very well done. And there's the Wolfman. And Molly found a dress.
This dress has been sold here for a while, but I've always liked it.
They also have a really cool Phantom of the Opera room. Like, there's no merchandise in here. It's just kind of a photo spot. But it's very well done in here. Definitely worth checking out the store. So we're not 100% sure, but we're pretty sure. Looks like the Trident of Poseidon is here from the Poseidon's Fury attraction. In Zeus Landing, the Carousel is closed for a pretty sizable refurbishment. Also, when Carousel goes down for a major refurbishment like this, it takes down half these tracks, or one of the two tracks, for the High in the Sky Zeus Charlie train ride, so expect longer lines for that one. We're down in the prop shop, where you get a whole bunch of stuff from Shrek 4D, including these giant metal shields for $500, or you could buy 3D glasses for $5. Also, a bunch of the Scarecrow stock guys are now here for sale. It's kind of fun. This guy's got the plans for the best roller coaster ever. If you are curious what's on the other side of the plans, well, you won't know. It's just top secret e-tickets, which is a Disney trip. This is some wonderful Scarecrow stock. You've got Reggie from the Revenge of the Mummy coaster, and sexy Jeff Goldblum as a pumpkin man.
With abs drawing on him.
Yeah, of course, because he's sexy. And the Barbasol kid. So it's going to be the coolest prop in here right now. You've got the magic mirror from Shrek 4D. That could be yours. First of all, it's gigantic. And it's the low cost of $7,000 $500. And of course, the highlight of Mardi Gras, the parade. The bee catching in the parade is really fun. Hey! So every year with the Mardi Gras parade, they have some floats that are here every single year, like the first three. This year's theme is space, so all the next floats, they're going to be unique. Check out the sun in the back of this float. Let's talk a little bit about the food here at Mardi Gras this year. We're starting in San Francisco, and we ordered the shortcake. We went for the half and half, so half blueberry lemon and half strawberry. Now, in years past, they've done like a tasting lanyard. That's not happening this year.
No.
I believe this was around $5. You do get a pass holder discount. And then the beer, first of all, it's tiny. It's a 12-ounce beer, and you can get it in a souvenir cup. But they have like good craft beer all over the park. So we're drinking a Swamphead Cream Ale.
And I love that you did the half and half. Like, we can decide which one.
And now that my beer, the first one, my tiny little beer here, that's gonna be $11. Refills are gonna be $8. You know, $8 for 12-ounce beer, not ideal, but you are in a theme park and you're drinking good beer. First booth, this is delicious. I love this thing, this shortcake, that's awesome.
It's
beer's
delicious.
really good.
It's really good.
They also have conch.
The biscuit's really good with the honey.
Yeah, they also have conch fritters and shrimp ceviche. All right, so Jake, what do we get here?
This is a Johnny cake. It is vegetarian. They have jackfruit and vegetables and red tomatoes.
Oh, the red kind.
Yeah, the red kind. Yep, not the green kind. Looks like maybe this is mustard and white sauce.
There we go.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks very fancy.
It is. Mm-hmm.
In between Simpsons and London, you get this really well done. It's very well themed. Apparently, these are themed to the parade floats. And we got, Molly, what is this? And it looks really weird. It's green.
Yes, sweet potato ice cream.
That sounds horrible.
Mocha green tea waffle. But there's strawberry pocky, marshmallows, coconut shavings.
Start eating, it's dripping.
Sprinkles.
Oh, we can't. All right, well, this looks weird. Also got another thimble full of beer. Good one though. It says Draculas Sweet Baby Java. So this is a really nice beer. It's like a chocolate peanut butter coffee porter. In the New York area at the gelato stand, they actually have some pretty good stuff. $6, we got the arancini, which is fried risotto balls.
I would like that.
And then this has been the talk of Mardi Gras, this meatball stuffed sandwich on like Texas toast. And then you got a very nice boozy drink here. It's a it's a rum, amaretto, Coke, and gelato.
Vanilla gelato.
Vanilla gelato float. Looking pretty good here. Voodoo Donut has one specialty donut for Mardi Gras, and it's not only Mardi Gras themed, but it sounds really interesting. It is a banana Foster's donut. So there's like a banana filling inside. It will run you about $4, but you do get that pass holder discount. If you like banana, this is definitely one I would recommend. It's a very, very tasty donut. Now you'll be able to buy plenty of cocktails inside Universal Orlando with Mardi Gras, and they're all going to be pre-mixed kind of stuff. Not really my thing. Come out here and City Walk, grab a real drink like the classic Cat O'Brien's Hurricane. Expensive now, up to $16, but it's pungent and delicious, and not pre-mixed with almost no booze in it like in the park. We also have Fat Tuesday over here, which is also kind of Mardi Gras-y. In the various gift shops at the park, they're doing another scavenger hunt kind of thing with different masks themed to different planets of the floats. Of course, a big part of Mardi Gras is the concerts. This year, Sugar Ray, Diana Ross, Bare Naked Ladies, Styx, John Party, LL Cool J, Marshmallow, Lee Brice, Becky G, Khaled, Seal, Kevin DeGraw, The Revivalists, Jimmy Allen, Jason Derulo. Not bad, not amazing. So the tribute store this year is themed as a float factory for Mardi Gras. Kind of a cool facade. It doesn't stream store on the outside.
No, it does not.
Now inside of the tribute store, of course, tons of merchandise in here. I do like that the King Gator is on like the main shirt this year, or the jacket.
It makes sense because it's in every
The fanny pack.
Mardi Gras.
Yeah. He's also on socks and a pass holder shirt. More fun stuff. You got hurricane glasses. You got the stemless wine glass. And my personal favorite, as I love anything that could go on a wall, you've got a Mardi Gras sign with King Gator on it. Lots more concept art. And of course, it wouldn't be a tribute store without the wax melt. And then a little Earl the Squirrel Easter egg. Don't run with scissors. If you're curious what's in this box, that's where they keep the gator foam. And if you want fancy beads, you can buy them in here. Or get your picture on a throne next to H.H. Bear. In the always interesting, awkward hallway here at the tribute store, they've got a lot of history pictures of Mardi Gras past. So all of the different floats and
Giant ducks.
themes.
Hourglass.
Yeah, that they've done in years past. Kind of neat. Look at the elephant safari here. Oh, our giant inflatable chef here. They should bring him back. You do have a line of merchandise here for this year's particular Mardi Gras theme, which is Planet Mardi Gras. Made it to the final room, which has the Space Skater float, which is just wonderful. Also the food items. And something I like this year, check this out. They've got like a souvenir shaker glass with a cake in it. Now it is $18, but it's a cool souvenir. Ooh, and cookie dough balls. One final thing here for the tribute store is Earl the Squirrel has gotten in the theme for Mardi Gras. And he's wearing a little bubble helmet. And as you exit, you've got a medallion machine as well as a tribute to the wonderful Mardi Gras bead tree. Some bad news over here from Islands of Adventure at Port of Entry. One of my go-to drinks for years at the Orlando theme parks have been the giant Foster's can you get at this cart right here at the entrance to Islands of Adventure. Last month, I think it was, they upped the price. I think they used to be around like $10.25, maybe $10.75. They're now $13. Come on, Universal. Come on. I know it's a big beer, but still. Wrapping up the visit here at the bead tree, as is tradition at Mardi Gras, to donate some of your beads to this tree that takes a beating.
It's crazy that this is only the second weekend.
Yes! Well, that was a good one. Alrighty, here comes my throw. I'm throwing lefty, so this could be bad. Oh, I think I got a couple of them.
I think you did.
There we go. Fun times at Universal. This is, I love the Mardi Gras event. It is so much fun. This concert was not for me, but next weekend, I might go to both concerts. I'm not a fan of like all the beer prices going up, like $13 for Foster's, or this thimble of beer.
But the food was really good.
Yeah, the food was better than I thought it would be. Like, we had 4 food items. I loved all of them.
I definitely want to go back and get the biscuits.
Yes.
And gravy.
Maybe next month update. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.